A lot of people in my comments and on other side hustle channels say that field agent is not worth it. It's a waste of time and the pay is too low for what you have to do. But by the end of this video, once you know all of these hacks, you will be able to make a very good side hustle income with this amazing side hustle app. The first hack is the unavailable hack. Most of the time when you see a gig, like right now, I'm excited. I want to leave my house. There's some good gigs in my area. But when you go to accept them, it says job already taken. Now, this may happen like every time you go to reserve a gig, and you may think this app has a glitch or this app doesn't work or it's a scam. But this is because this is one of the most popular apps of its kind, and these gigs go super fast. So the trick is to refresh the app throughout the day. So now if I refresh it, see, all those are gone and there's only one. But as you keep refreshing it, more gigs will drop down. So if I do this, so if you check now and then these gigs are expired, but then you refresh it again, you'll get the gig. All you have to do is reserve the gig faster than someone else. So most people just check the app once or twice a day and get lucky if they find gigs. But me, I'm refreshing this all day long. If I leave my house when I want to do gigs and there are no field agent gigs, I'll turn on Uber Eats, I'll turn on Instacart, I'll do some Instacart. But as I'm waiting for the food to be done, or as anytime I have any downtime, I am refreshing this app. And then as I'm doing other apps, I'm reserving until I have enough field agent to keep me busy for the rest of the day. And then I'll go off the food delivery apps because I hate doing food delivery apps. The next one is the instructions hack. So I think I reserved a couple that I didn't get to do today. So here I have this one. This is baby food and snacks bottled water. If you click on it, they give you all of this information. And you may think that you actually have to sit there and read all of this. You're going to need the aisle of the baby food and snacks and bottled water. That's it. That's all you need to know from all this information. All of this down here is just telling you how to take your pictures, but I'll explain it to you in 1 second. Just take your picture straight of each 4-foot section and don't get the other sections in it. What they do is they take all your pictures and then they make it into like the whole aisle. They stitch them together. So you want to have consistency when you're taking your pictures. There's also a feature in the app that if you take a blurry picture, you'll get this notification. It says your photo is a bit blurry. Confirm it. And correct most of the time, but sometimes if you're doing pictures of like water bottles or something with plastic, it'll give you that notification, but just double check it on your own. But if you have one blurry picture, you'll get the whole thing denied and you won't make any money at all. So the second one is you don't have to read this on other more complicated gigs. This will like go on for pages and pages and pages. But once you did the gig once and you know what you're doing, you don't have to read it. I never read any of these. I just fast forward. And then all you're going to have to do is go to the baby snacks, like 2 pictures. This gig would probably take at 5 minutes at max, maybe even 2 or 3. And the next hack is to fit these into your life. You don't have to be like me and get up at 7 and go like it's a full day of work and make a whole route of these and do it all day. You could do that if you're looking for a part-time job or a side hustle. And I usually make like $25 to $30 an hour doing that. But also today was a family day, and my wife and my daughter and I went to the supermarket to get groceries. So I refreshed this app, and I found a Publix near my house that had a gig. So that's the Publix we went to. So I was already going there. It didn't cost me any gas, any time at all. I was already in the store, and I made the money. You could also fit it in if you have your own business or something where you have a route. Then you could fit it into that, another way to make income. But it's different than food delivery because you're not, once you have someone's food in your order, you're like obligated to bring it to their house. But these, if you reserve them, you could unreserve them, or you can just do them whenever you want within the 4 hours. There's no rush. And the last one is multi-apping. So there may only be $2, $3 gigs at Walmart. So go in there that makes $6 may not be worth it. But if you know the other apps that are similar, then you could do 3 apps at one store and make it actually worth your time. And if you want to see me compare similar apps to Field Agent, check out this video over here.